Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix 2x cow control not working. So guys, let's get started. First guys, you need to check the connection and ensure the control properly connected with your device, PC or console, and via ESP or Bluetooth. This is first thing you can do, and this step guys, number 2, check the lots driver for control are installed, and you can usually find for website or via Windows Update, and go Windows Update setting and click on check this update setting. And the step number 3 guys, rest the control and turn off the control by hold down the power button until the control power off, and wait 10 seconds and ensure the control has powered down fully, and turn on the control and press bar hold of the power button again and the control back on. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.